We need common sense. And when you lack it, that's all you can see. I hope to earn your vote and bring Michigan back to a family-friendly Michigan.
This is a great state, and our future is bright, and I'll work hard every single day to make sure of it. I'm asking for your vote in this critical election.
Mrs. Dixon, you have 30
The two
seconds.
women running for governor in Michigan debate for the first time on the controversial issues and their plans for the future of our state. And we have more now on that debate between Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer and her challenger, Tudor Dixon. 13 on your side's Charlie Tinker was at tonight's debate. He joins us with details on what they said and key issues to win the votes.
Well, Juliet, we were there with a few dozen other state and national media outlets, and no big surprises here. The race is narrowing, and we saw neither candidate really pulling any punches with regard to everything from abortion rights to inflation to gun control and education.
Welcome to the debate for governor. Tonight, live from Grand Rapids.
A contentious first debate between incumbent Governor Gretchen Whitmer.
I know Mrs. Dixon is committed to her talking points.
And Republican challenger Tudor Dixon.
Many are saying they think the American dream in the state of Michigan is dead.
Voters submitted many of the questions used by moderators, with the two responding first to the abortion debate.
We know that our fundamental rights are very much at risk right now. I am fighting to protect our right to choose.
You should understand her position. It's extremely radical. My position on abortion is clear. I am pro-life with exceptions for life of the mother. But I understand that this is going to be decided by the people of the state of Michigan or by a judge.
Whitmer was later asked whether, given the chance, she would change how her administration responded to the COVID-19 pandemic.
If I could go back in time with the knowledge we have now, sure, I would have made some different decisions. While my life was being threatened for making hard decisions to save lives across our state, Mrs. Dixon was spreading conspiracy theories.
This was Dixon's rebuttal.
Unfortunately for Gretchen Whitmer, everybody knows that I have been vaccinated, and she's completely dishonest. But she can't be honest because she knows that her response was so completely horrendous.
Later accusing Whitmer of contributing to rising crime rates.
She went out and marched with folks who held up signs that said defund the police.
Whitmer's response touted her record as a prosecutor and vowed to address gun reform.
My opponent is long on rhetoric and short on facts, proposing policies that increase guns, decrease oversight, and eliminate gun-free zones. That's not going to make us any safer.
Dixon responded.
She wants to take guns away from law-abiding citizens.
Either candidate frequently accused the other of lying during the hour-long back and forth.
Mrs. Dixon is either woefully underinformed about the office she's running for, or she's lying to you.
Do not be deceived. This is a woman who shut down the state and had to have her powers removed by the Supreme Court. Do not trust her with another 4 years to terrorize you.
Delivering closing statements that further highlighted the stark contrast between the two women sharing the stage.
This governor's policies are radical, dangerous, and destructive. Crime is up, jobs are down, schools are worse, and the roads didn't get fixed. That's what happens when you hire a radical career politician. You go in the wrong direction.
These are serious times that require leaders who can solve problems and work together to make your life a little bit better right now. I want to continue to move our state forward.
An otherwise historic moment and a first in Michigan history.
Profit. This is about information.
And the most recent polling shows Dixon closing the gap, but the governor still with an 11-point lead. The second and final debate is scheduled for October 25. And again, Julia, you can't stress enough how critical it is both candidates take advantage of every opportunity to make their case to voters.
Thank you, Charlie.